Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add search terms to Google Ads. Really easy and simple. First things first, of course, you're going to go ahead and log into your Google Ads account, and then you're going to go to search keywords within the campaigns menu. Then just select the plus button, and then in the select an ad group window, you just want to search for your campaign by the name or campaign ID. Then just choose the ad group where you want to add your keywords. They just expand on the keyword section in the slider panel, and then you can just add the keywords by typing or pasting them one per line, or you can generate relevant keywords in the get keywords ideas on the right hand side. And after you create your keywords list, you can go ahead and select save. It's really easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.